welcome back to the channel, folks. Showing this amazing building, folks, that you're well, folks. It's cold, guys. Yeah, this is to show you this abandoned building. Yeah, it looks pretty good personally. I'll show you next bit in a second, folks. Yeah, this is the other side of the lovely building, but I'm not sure what it is, but it looks shut, so I'll show you next bit in a second, folks. Yeah, it looks good brickwork, so I'll show you next bit in a second. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just looking for this address, 42 Mount Street. Am I in the right area?
No, not, actually put this down, can I just do the YouTube video? Whereabouts are you looking at all?
If I can find the address. So that's the address. NG7 7HX.
No, I've never heard of it, I'm not too sure.
No? That's fine then.
I think it must be round here somewhere, but I've never heard of Mount Street.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
Oh, I've not got you on video or anything anyway. Fine. Yeah, sorry about that, I think somebody was looking for someone, so... And this is an interesting building, not sure what this is at all. I'll show you next bit in a second. And this has been in my previous video, so I didn't mind me filming, so this will be a past, folks. It looks very abandoned again, folks. So the chimney looks nice, a very interesting building. I'll show you next bit in a second. I'll wait till the car goes. Yeah, this is the other bit of the building, so they've obviously not repaired this, folks. So yeah, looks like they're not doing anything else with it, folks. If anybody knows what deep means, can let me know, that'd be good. And I'll show you the last bit and how to cut this, folks. And the chimney looks pretty good, folks. Yeah, I was going to do a walkabout video, but I can't be bothered, so I'll have to do a walkabout video in a couple of weeks, folks. Yeah, but lovely building, folks. I'll show you the next bit in a minute. Yeah, lady didn't mind me filming, so this will be a pass anyway, folks. So wait till this car clears off. Yeah, this looks very interesting. A shoe aid. So wait till this car goes. Yeah, this looks, I don't have to wait till them cars bugger off. But this shoe aid looks very interesting place, folks. So anybody want to let me know what this is, that would be good, folks. I'll show you next bit in a second. Yeah, looks a very interesting building, folks. I don't like operational, but anybody let me know what it is, that would be good, and I'll show you next bit in a second. That's the other bit that's connected to Birkin, so and that's the veggies from the serum bank. So just off forest field, and then when I get past this I'm going, unless I see anything else at all, folks, I'm going to cut this, folks. So you at least got a 7-minute video, folks, anyway. But for making a reaction for that lady, this will be a pass, folks. So I'm going to cut this in a few minutes, folks, because there's nothing really else I can show you, folks. Yeah, I'm just going to go around this corner. Well, there's a load of grotty rubbish, that's very messy. I'll show you the next bit in a second. And some more grotty rubbish shells though. Yeah, very messy and forest filled, folks. So I'm gonna cut this now, folks. There's nothing much else I can show you, so thanks for watching, and I'll put this on Premiere. Cheers.